Hello guys, my name is Adam and this is YouTube channel Fuse Service, HVAC, refrigeration, electrical and plumbing. And yes, I'm the founder of this company and I'm living in the United States 8.5 years already, and 7.5 years we're running this Fuse Service wonderful HVAC electrical plumbing company. So in this video I would like to share with you my knowledge about heat pump tax credit. Everyone know and loves about talking about the taxes. So this kind of the video you can share with someone as well, because you will gonna know right now how you can apply and for what in terms of the heat pumps. Because the heat pumps, the difference between the heat pump and furnace, for just a regular human, they are kind of the same. Because right now I am in the room where the working the heat pump ductless mini split system, and I feel warm, I feel comfort myself. So both of these devices doing the same, they are delivering for you exactly what you want, comfort, the comfort temperature, even we have a hot summer or even we have a cold winter. For right now we got November 5th 2024, and the difference between the heat pump and furnace for the regular human, nothing really matters, but the matters about what we're gonna get as an outcome in our wonderful skinny pockets when you paid off all your taxes. So furnace is burning the gas. It's absolutely natural gas. You have to dig the fossil fuel from our earth and burn it, and you will deliver the comfort in your house. What's going on with heat pump? It will take the warm and bring it out inside the house. If we will have a lot of warm inside the house, we will put it outside. This is how the air conditioning works, but it really doesn't matter. So furnace doesn't do the cooling air, so for this reason you have to install the furnace, and together with heat exchanger for the air conditioner, which is called as well the evaporator. But the same thing happening with heat pump water heater. So we have here the heat pump, which is delivering the comfort to your house inside, and this heat pump water heater, it is just getting warm or boiled water to your faucet. So there's a lot of stuff about how you can save a lot of money using the heat pumps, because electricity is nice, no or almost no carbon emissions. So this is like lowest carbon emissions, 3 times more energy efficient, blah blah blah. It's everything, it's wonderful. It's like you can have your amazing iPhone connected to your water heater, and you're gonna see all what's going on inside your water heater and how much money you're gonna save. But this video not about it. This video about what? About the taxes. Exactly guys. And I'm not gonna be talk about much what's going on in wonderful website, which is called irs.gov, Internal Revenue Services.government. And oh, this is a wonderful taxes form. So here we have information on the IRS website what anyone who installed and made home improvement beginning 2022, because we had wonderful Inflation Reduction Act, which is called IRA, very close to IRS, and For improvements installed in 2022 or earlier, you will have like another form. So beginning January 2023, the credit equals 30% of certain qualified expenses, including qualified energy efficiency improvement installed during the taxable year, residential energy property, home energy audit. But if we're talking exactly about, so here's a lot of information, I will put it here. If you will get heat pump and heat pump water heater projects, the tax credit amount is 30% of the total project cost, includes equipment and installation, up to $2,000 maximum. So if your project cost $1,000, you could claim 30% of that. So this means you will get back $300 to your tax credit. If your project is $10,000, the maximum you can get is $2,000 tax credit. The tax credit works that way. So my salary is $100,000 per year. I have to pay taxes from this amount, $30,000, because this is a W-2, plus I'm gonna have to pay Franchise Tax Board of California, wonderful 9%. And then what I will have left, so I will have left about like maybe $66,000, I believe. So in that matter, because I paid $36,000 of my $100,000, I can get back my $2,000 if I spend $10,000 from this $66,000. So that means I can get a little bit money back. So it will increase my kind of pocket money for $2,000, which gonna come to you from as a check from Internal Revenue Services of the United States. So this is amazing form. You lovely have to fill it up for the year when you installed your home improvement project, which could be the heat pump water heater or heat pump, just a heat pump system in your house. So how will you know exactly what the difference between the heat pump and the heat pump water heater? So the heat pump water heater is heating the water, and the heat pump for the comfort inside your house, to cooling down or warming up your temperature inside your house, should be the devices like this or like this. This is a ductless mini split. So our comfort advisor of our company know exactly what they can offer to you to match your expectation for this purpose. So to get this tax credit, you should have installed minimum ratings of the equipment. Seasonal energy efficiency ratio 2, version 2, should be more than 16. EER2 energy efficiency ratio should be more than 12, and HSPF heating seasonal performance factor should be more than 9. In this case, you will get your tax credit. Moreover, very important thing, this thing can be qualified only on your primary residence. So if you have more houses, if you are a landlord like me, you won't be able to qualify for more than one address. So be sure you take care of this very well. So here's saying another wonderful publication from irs.gov. So you can get another things, but we're talking about here the water heaters, heat pumps, biomass stoves and boilers have to separate annual credit limit of $2,000, no lifetime limit. So 1 year you can install heat pump water heater, another year you can install the HVAC system as a heat pump. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.